Even if at all you don't know how to tie any other style, but this particular style, especially if you're a party lover and you want to reduce that cost, this must be watched. And I'm going to be teaching you for free, like absolutely free. You're paying me no money. So take your time and watch to the end. And let's talk about the material we're going to use for today's tutorial. It is SEGO material, and because it is SEGO, does not make it difficult. It makes it more simpler. All you need is just to follow the steps, and the SEGO material will obey you. That is I'm going to start with the base step. That's the first step. We're going to fold a bit inward, place the material on our head. You see the way I place it? I use one material to cover my head while I release my hair from the other one. You see how it goes, right? If you can't get it, you can just watch again and see what is being done there. Now, let's proceed to the other step. After crossing the hand, right to left, left to right from the back, and direct axis forward, we're going to be working with one flap of this material. They are of equal division when we divided them, so we're going to fold a bit in again. It's all about folding a bit in. So after folding a bit in, you see the way I place it, and if you notice, the part that I am working with first is where I release my hair out. Like I didn't cover my hair for the first part I'm working with, so I'm going to use it to cross it to give me a kind of V-like shape, if that is making sense. So I'm going to fold a bit in for the other side again. Remember, they are of equal division, which is 50-50. I'm going to grab it like this after folding in. You see, watch how I'm going to divide it here. You see the way I grabbed it. When you want to grab your own, grab it like that. So I'm going to give it a beautiful knot. Can I hear that? A beautiful knot. So you're going to knot it twice. Yeah. If you knot once and you release your hand, definitely it's going to fall off. So you're knotting twice. So after knotting the second time, then the gele is, it is secure to some extent on your head. Yes. So after securing with by knotting, you come to the side. You can see the material is so much, so you just fold like you're folding a bit in. You can watch my hand vividly, like watch it, stare at it. I don't mind. So you see, you're just going to fold a bit in, arrange it. Biko no, arrange your material, press it. So when you press, you are fold in and you are sure you have placed well. Grab your pin, secure it the way you see me do, right? But before I come to this other side, this little one, I'm going to undo it. I'll press it down, right? Grab my pin again. I'm going to grab my pin again and I'm going to secure it again. Like I'm going to secure it. So after securing, you see that this side is already giving madam look, like madam. Oh yeah. So it's already giving madam look, and that's what I want. So I'm going to go to the other side and I'll just grab it like that and come match it together here. I'll come match it together here, grab my pin and use it to, make the two to become one. If that is making points. So you can see what we are having, but we have to humble this side. So we're going to fold in like we did to the other side. Yeah, we're going to fold in, grab all grabbables where you feel that you need to grab with pins, just grab with it your pin, right? This will just require you checking it out and feeling like, oh, I need to grab this, I need to adjust this, I need to do this. That's all. So I've shared the basic steps with you guys. All you need after this, because this I'm looking at is giving me a party ready madam. Yeah, a party ready madam. Guys, if you have watched this list and you haven't liked, why not? Give me a beautiful like, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more simple Gele Headwrap tutorial like these. Like I'll always be dropping. I'm always here for you guys. So you see me, I'm done with the fronts basically, and I'm here at the back because you come and adjust your back as well. You don't want people to look you from the back and be like, what the heck? So you come and arrange, grab your pin and tack where it's tackable. Use your hand to adjust. Even if you can't see, I can't see but I can feel. So I use my hand to adjust, and here's the front final look, and I'm loving it. Guys, like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more simple rap like this, and trust me, I'll bring more simple rap for you. Until then, keep practicing. After watching, don't say I have watched. and you wait till the day you are going to party. It doesn't work like that. I'll see you, my love. Bye.